Imagine a chicken that's as black as a starless night, both inside and out. Meet the Ayam Cemani, a rare and mysterious breed hailing from Java, Indonesia. Its feathers are not just black. Its skin, muscles, bones, and even organs are also black. The Ayam Cemani's black color results from a dominant gene called fibromelanosis. This gene causes excess pigmentation in the tissues, affecting not only feathers but also beak, tongue, comb, wattles, bones, and internal organs. Despite their dark exterior, Ayam Cemani hens lay cream-colored eggs with a slight pink tint. However, they are poor setters and rarely hatch their own brood. The Ayam Cemani is one of the rarest chicken breeds globally, making it a symbol of status and luxury. Individual birds with exceptional characteristics, specifically bred for breeding purposes, in the United States have been priced as high as $2,500. Breeders selling Ayam Cemani as pets or for backyard flocks might offer them at a lower price point, like the $200 to $600 range. Owning Ayam Cemani chickens requires dedication. Their dietary needs, housing, and breeding differ from ordinary chickens. So, if you're looking for an extraordinary addition to your backyard, the Ayam Cemani might just be the perfect choice. Hit like and subscribe our channel for more fascinating facts.